MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to install Ackee on your Ubuntu server. By the end of this video you'll have the systemctl up and running. Let's start by installing Docker. Run these commands to install Docker and get it running on your server. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now let's prepare our environment and create a configuration file using this command. Pass the following configuration into the file. Now let's spin up the containers. Once all the components are downloaded and started, we can open up a web browser. Go ahead and type your server IP address followed by port 3000. The login credentials are the ones we just set in our Docker Compose YAML file. In my case, the username is admin and the password is your secure password. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start working with Ackee. Now, if you want to use a domain name instead of a raw IP address, we need to set up Nginx. Let's install it and create a new configuration file. Add the following code to the file and make sure to change the server name to your domain name. After that, enable the configuration and restart Nginx to apply the changes. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.